How to become a chip tuner and start your own ECU tuning business? Many years ago, while we were students ourselves, we decided to study vehicle software calibration and their effects on engine performance. To accomplish this, we needed to access the ECU data to make the changes we needed. We had to learn ECU Remapping. To do that, we searched for ECU Tuning and Remapping training courses, tools, etc. After long hours of searching for information that was highly scattered around the internet, we found out some of them were inapplicable and couldn't find the articles, tutorials, or helpful books that we needed. Then we decided to participate in online and in-person tutorial workshops of some companies. Later, it seemed that most of the information was taught selectively and inefficiently. As an example, they would only teach their own software products or instructed only a limited list of ECU models. Eventually, we spent around a year studying how to read and write onto an ECU, or otherwise known as ECU programming. It's been 9 years since that time that we've gathered some highly valuable information about ECU programming. And after years of experience and doing projects in chip tuning, ECU source code studying, doing trials and errors with different tools and various pieces of software, and gaining experience with the dynamometer and remapping a wide range of car ECUs, we came into an idea. We decided to prepare a useful ECU tuning tutorial for people who are interested and ready to start their own business. A simple yet valuable and centralized course. It is worth saying that most tutorials on the internet would not cover all the topics from basic parts, meaning they would not be an A to Z course, which would not be useful for you. In other words, what we learn in theory is different from reality. No other course would explain the ECU remapping step by step and with practical evidence. Instead of teaching you how to catch fish, they give you the fish instead. Some of the online tutorial sessions are only 4 hours long. But who can become a chip tuner in such a short period? In this course, we will principally teach you with the step-by-step and simple guides on chip tuning and remapping. What you will learn in this course: Introduction to injection system, sensors, and actuators. You'll learn what ECU remapping or programming is and why we need to do that. We'll introduce different ECU types for petrol, diesel, and also automatic transmission systems. We will introduce and explain all the tools needed for ECU chip tuning. ECU programming tools. ECU remapping or tuning software. Personal computer. Soldering kit that includes items such as iron gun, heat air blower, solder tin, etc. and how to work with this tool. Dynamometer. Wideband gauge. We will introduce the required programming tools. We also have technical reviews and compare different programmers, so you can choose the best one that is suitable for you. Programming tools like KES V2, KTag, MyGenius, AutoTuner, etc. We will introduce the required software. We also have technical reviews and comparisons between different pieces of software to help you choose the best one suitable for your needs. Software like WinOS, ECM Titanium, Race Evo, etc. You will learn how to safely read and write file on an ECU with different methods such as JTAG and OBD with proper tools and programmers. After you'll learn how to program an ECU and read the file, we will introduce you to an ECU dump, types of tables, how they work, and their changes in ECM Titanium and WinOL software. For instance, what is the concept of torque-based ECU and how it works, or what the Spark Advance is, how it works, and how we should change it. In the same way, instructions will be given for all the tables like fuel, torque, engine load, turbo, air inlet, etc. In order to become an expert, we will do the full remap procedure within practical projects on vehicles such as Porsche, Volkswagen, BMW, etc. It means that together we will move forward with preparation steps, vehicle survey, reading ECU file, remapping in various software, writing a file onto an ECU, and some tests. After remapping, you will write the file onto the ECU and will learn how to test the tuned vehicle on dyno and see the results. In the next step, you will become an experienced person with ECUs and can decide whether to change the ECU file and test it using the dynamometer to achieve the best results. You can also extend your information by attending our advanced online courses that also come with online backup support.